Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of my second Glam box. This one is from Dove. My first one was... is it Tresemme? Yes, Tresemme. Anyway, so it's a box, pretty looking box, with a, well, so far, just a sleeve. Got it inside this big old box, and it's very heavy. This came alongside my top box, which I was not expecting. Ooh! Worms! Oh my god, it smells amazing. So we have the Discover Expert Care Real Women Love. So we have, we have all of the products listed here. Interesting. Okay. So, first off, I can tell you that I see this Dove Purely Pampering Shea Butter Beauty Bar with warm vanilla scent. One of their moisturizing cream bars. One of the few sort of mass-produced bar soaps that I like and generally can use is Dove. And I love anything with shea butter. It smells delightful. Yeah, I really do love Dove bars. So that's awesome. And then we have this Purely Pampering Nourishing Body Wash. And you are in like vanilla and shea butter. Again, I think everything's in vanilla and shea butter. I have not used a Dove body wash in years. It used to bother me. So I'll give it a try. But one thing I am absolutely okay with every time is Dove Hair Care. And so this is the Nourishing Oil Care Shampoo with neutral oils. Just smells fresh, really clean. So much white packaging. And then have the Nourishing Oil Care Conditioner with Nutri Oils. And again, I happen to really love, especially like with the thicker conditioners, they're aimed like this anyway. Oh yeah, no, that smells really good. It's nice. It's like a berry scent. So that's awesome. And ooh, oh my god. So Dove Dry Spray Original. The moisturizer or the the dry spray 48-hour spray deodorant. I tend not to do spray deodorants. I tend also to do I mean, that said, I've got a secret one right now, but I have been using the La Vanilla ones as well. I did do a spray deodorant for a while, and I want to say that it was Dove. Oh, I thought it was going to fall on the dog. The dog doesn't like things falling on her. I'm going to say the cap is really flimsy. I'm going to do something weird and spray it on my hand. Okay. If you hold it far enough away and spray, it disappears. And it just feels like powder, but even the pot, nope. It smells like soap. It's not bad. Actually, let's be real. Yeah, no, I really like that. I mean, like I said, I'm not normally a spray deodorant girl, but I will throw this in the mix and give it a try. All in all, I'm really happy. this seems like an update to their classic soap bar, which is nice. I mean, their classic one is great because it's just really like gentle and there's nothing to it. I tried their hair care products in the past, although I haven't tried this. I have a few like long running favorites, and honestly their conditioners, I have found that my hair loves them and can't go wrong. I would say that my only concern is whether or not this is sulfate free. I feel like it's not, but let's check. Unique blend, blurry blur. Sodium lauryl sulfate. It's in the conditioner. And are you dimethicone? So I can tell you right now, you are sulfate free, you are cone free. These are not your friends. I will give these a try and I will let you guys know what I think. If you would like to hear that, let me know down below. Otherwise I'll just put out a different video, you know, if nobody wants to. Anyway, but yeah, so I'm super excited. I explained this last time, but I will let you know again. Glam is a program that you can sign up through Topbox. It's sort of like a particular privé box kind of program where it's free. Companies send you products. So far, like I said, this is my second one. I just got the email through today. They're going to maybe send me something else. So sort of like every couple of months. Really enjoying it so far. And yeah, I especially like that it's full-size products, not just samples. It is drugstore, but it's still great. I mean, especially with something like a spray deodorant, something like this, I'm gonna figure out whether or not it's any good over all, you know, a bit of use. Ooh, also, I'm sorry, this is antiperspirant, not just deodorant, if I was not clear on that. But yeah, if anybody wants to know about any of it. I can say that I have used one of these before, and I didn't necessarily, I finished it, but I didn't really like it, because it felt weird. This actually doesn't feel like anything. Yeah, it's okay so far. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. If you are interested in joining Glam Sense, I'm pretty sure that you can just apply. Google it and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.